Hello students, welcome back to math class for the session number 2 of the chapter number 5, that is shapes and designs. In the last session we learnt about plane shapes and today we will learn about solid shapes. But before that, let's do revision of what we learned in the previous session. We learned that a closed two-dimensional or flat figure is known as a plane shape. A side is a straight or curved line that makes a shape. A corner is where two sides meet. Triangle is a plane figure with 3 straight sides and 3 corners. Square is a plane figure with 4 straight sides and 4 corners. In square, all sides are equal. Similarly, rectangle is a plane figure with 4 straight sides and 4 corners, just like a square. But in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Not all the sides are equal. A circle is a shape that is made up of a curved line. It has no sides and no corners. This much you have learned in the last session. Now let's start our session number 2. Solid shapes. A figure or an object that has 3 dimensions, length, width and height is known as solid shape. In plane shape, we have 2 dimensions, length and width. But in the solid shapes, we have 3 dimensions, length, width and height. Cube, cuboid, sphere are some examples of solid shapes. Cube and cuboid are almost same in all manners except one, and that is in the cube all the faces are same in size, but in the cuboid all the faces are not same in size. Clear? Very good. Next topic is edge. An edge is a line segment on the boundary and is often called a side. Here we have the picture of a cube. Yellow colored lines represent the edges. Now you can see there are 12 edges in a cube. 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, 2 on the left hand side and 2 on the right hand side. Am I right? Yes. Next, corner. Corner is a point where 2 or more edges meet. Corner is also known as vertex. Here also we have the picture of a cube and we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. So we can say that cube has 8 corners. Let's do some activities of your textbook. Refer page number 63. Edges and corners. Meeta and her 5 friends were playing a game. Tinku was blindfolded and asked to keep clapping as long as he wished, while the others would move round a table. The moment Tinku stopped clapping, everybody would stop wherever they were. The child who was not at a corner would be out. Then she would be blindfolded. Now, here we have some questions. The first question, looking at the picture given above, can you tell who is out? Yes, we know that Guddu is out as he was not at a corner. Second question, where is Guddu standing? He is standing in the middle of one of the sides of the table, or we can say he is standing in the middle of one of the edges of the table. And the last question, can this game be played around a round table? Why? Yes, we know we cannot play this game around a round table because round table has no corners. Am I right? Yes. Many things around us have straight edges. For example, book, chair, kite, etc. Similarly, other things have curved edges. For example, wheel, rounded dish, etc. Now, page number 64. Here also we have some questions. The first question is, look around you and identify things with straight and curved edges. Now you have to write this answer by yourself because it depends on your observing power. Next, do the things with straight edges have corners? Yes. The things with straight edges have corners. Next question, do the things with curved edges have corners? Yes, we know that the things with curved edges do not have corners. So our answer is no. And the last question, try to find things which have both straight and curved edges. Again, you have to write this answer by yourself because many of things have both straight and curved edges like pen, pencil, mobile phone, etc. You can write any 4. At last, page number 65. Look at the following table and tick the names of things that have corners. Also count the number of edges and corners in each of them. Let's start together. The first thing is die. Die is an example of cube, and you know that cube has only straight edges. So we can say yes, it has corners. Now, as we discussed earlier, that cube has 12 edges and 8 corners. So we will write 12 here. 12 edges and 8 corners. Next thing is ball. As ball is round in shape, it has no corners. So we will write no. As we are discussing only about the straight edges, we will put dash here, and as the ball has no corners, so we will put dash here also. Clear? Good. Now eraser. Eraser is an example of cuboid. So we can say yes, it has corners. And we know that in the cuboid, the number of edges and corners are as same as the number of edges and corners in the cube. So there are 12 edges and 8 corners. Next thing is egg. Yes, we know that egg has no corners as it is round in shape. So we will put dash here and here also. And the last example is sheet of paper. Now you tell me all the answers. Do it fast. Yes, very good. We know that it has corners. So we will write yes. And there are 4 edges and 4 corners. Am I right? Yes, very good. Now it's your homework time. Refer page number 65 of your textbook. In the following figures, take those which have corners. Also check, do the following figures have curved lines? Kindly do this homework in your textbook. So here we have completed our session number 2, and we will learn about patterns in our next session. Thank you.